Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a link in Canvas. So first you go into the course and go to anywhere you want to put the link in. So I'm going to put it in the syllabus. I'm clicking on the syllabus. Then in the upper right corner I'm clicking on edit. This is going to bring up the editor and all of the tools in the editor window here. So what I like to do is type in plain English where this link is going to take the students. So for this one they're going to go to the bookstore, so I'm going to type wlac bookstore. Okay, next I want to find the link to the bookstore to put it in here. So to do that I'm going to go up into Chrome. I'm in Chrome. I'm going to make a new tab by clicking that plus. This might be different on your computer. And I'm going to find the web address for the wlac bookstore. So I'm searching for this, and this is all just so my students don't have to try to find this on their own. So this looks like it. Maybe this is the link. Yep, this is the bookstore. So what I'm going to do now that I'm at the bookstore website, I'm going to go up at the top and copy that link up at the top. Then I'm going to click back into the Canvas tab, highlight the word or phrase, and then I'm going to click on this link. See that little link symbol? Click on that, and it's going to say, what link do I want to put in here? The text is already selected, so I'll click where it says link. I'm going to right click and paste. And there's the link that I want. I'll click the blue done button. And that's it. I have some options if I want. I can remove it later if I want, change it, whatever. I'm just going to click update syllabus, which is going to save it. And now you can see it right here. I don't really have anything else in the syllabus, but there's that link. When I click on it, you always want to test your links right after you make them and before the semester starts. So I'm going to click on it. And sure enough, it opens up the bookstore website. So there you go. That's how to create a link in Canvas in the editor. Thanks for watching.